In a coastal Turkish town, Aysun turned a tired market stall into a thriving sustainable snack brand by listening to locals. She sourced local figs and olives, rebuilt a tiny solar-powered kitchen, and marketed transparently about origin and waste. Despite loans and late nights, she secured a regional distributor by hosting free tasting events at schools. Her brand grew into hundreds of wholesale orders, and she trained other women, creating jobs and pride across the town. Today, the story travels beyond borders as a model of community-led entrepreneurship, proving small ideas can spark big change.